I can do it too.
Okay, so we're back for lesson 2, which is kind of a review from lesson 1. This is Victoria. She's going to be part of our group, and we know Lillian. And the first thing we're going to do is a warm-up with this, which is going to be a booklet. And to get to the booklet, I've already got to pull up for Lillian, but Victoria, we're going to play the booklet. Oh, what was she play on here? Pause, hang on. Okay, sorry about that. We're back. We needed another device. I'm going to hit host now. Your code is, Tori, here. Move it. Take the hosting. 179. What's it doing wrong?
Just do that.
Okay. What?
It should just get it.
Well, what are you trying to get you to install? It should have been on book already. What did you click?
I didn't click anything, it just turned that
It
on.
could still be up.
Okay. Alright. I don't know why I was doing ads. It shouldn't have been, but we'll take them one step at a time. 179 29 01. Alright, so I set this one for 3 minutes because we need to keep it short for our video. And when you're both in, you pick your name. And like I said, this is our review.
And
There should not be ads popping up. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Technical difficulties. Let's try this again. So now we have another new device, and Lillian and Tori are going to compete and do a review on equivalent fractions using Bookit, kind of a quiz / review.
you can change your look.
You can't, but we're not going to do all the icons today, okay? Because the video can only be so long. All right. So, get to it, ladies. I didn't see what it asked you. Click anywhere to go next. Alright, how many parts need to be saved in the second model to show the equivalent fraction? So in this model right here, how many parts?
There's 8 here.
Uh-huh.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So the whole top row, right?
And
1,
2
2,
bottom.
so 4 plus 2 is
8.
4 plus 2 is 8? There we go. Are these fractions equivalent? Are they the Good job.
Tricks it.
This is what it looks like on her end. We're playing the tower defense one. They have different choices. Never really understood how to play the tower defense one. I don't know how you win it, other than the most answers right.
I know the start option, so I know stuff.
Yeah.
I already just went through the questions.
I think you just like put them and stuff and it will the game feature in there as well. You should have started out with an easier one. It's Chloe's first time playing Bookit.
Here, this is like fractions.
I'm already on my second round.
Awesome. How many have you gotten right so far?
Yeah.
A lot. Good. Ooh, we just did this. Which fraction is equivalent to 4 over 4? What is 4 over 4? 4 fourths equals 1 whole, right? So which exactly? Yeah, there you go. Underlines. Which fractions are equivalent? Good job. I don't know if you know that one. Is 1/3 equal to 2/3? Yeah. All right. Like I said, I just did a short one, just for review.
0 damage. How did Tori get first?
She must have answered more right. I mean, I think you only missed one though, so good job.
I don't know, man. It's in my accuracy was 71%.
What's your accuracy? What did it say?
90.
Nope, 90%.
Yeah, I shouldn't have won that.
I don't know why
I don't
you
know
won.
how I did.
But see, and that brings up a good point when we do these in class. It's not just who scored the most points, because there's different ways to get points, right? What's the most important factor?
Accuracy.
Accuracy. Good job. All right, go ahead and close this down. The next thing we're gonna do, thank you for your assistance, Tori, you're free to go. Here we go. Is Lillian is going to do a digital worksheet primarily because we were on vacation and I do not have access to a printer. But she is going to write down her answers instead.
Dad?
It's okay, just let it aside. What Roland's going to do, here, I'm going to move you over just a little bit so we can see. Oh, the paint fell on the floor? Okay. Okay, so we have a worksheet here, and it has several problems, looks like 6, and it's asking her to look at the models and to tell us what an equivalent fraction would be on the second model. So the first one has it filled in, the second one, you do it. Okay, so
We're already on 7 minutes.
I know. Look, number 1, this fraction is what? What is this fraction? Just say it out loud. What is it?
Write it first.
Sure. Okay. Now that means this is in, it's 6/8, right? So there's 8 pieces. This one only has 4 pieces. So to fill in the same number, what would that equivalent fraction be? Well, we know
Yeah,
what the denominator is already. What's that? You are correct. The equivalent fraction is 3/4. Good. All right, number 2. What's this first fraction? 1/2. Right. Now this box has how many pieces? 3 to 6. Very good. Okay, how about this one? 4 over 4 again. That keeps popping up, doesn't it? So what would the equivalent fraction be of this one?
This is 8. So this would be 4 and 8.
4 out of 8. Is that all of them, or would that only be one row? So, but what does this represent? This is all shaded, right? So it needs 4 out of 4. So in order for this one to all be shaded and to match, how many pieces are shaded?
How does that make even any sense?
Well, you tell me. How does it make sense?
No.
Okay, so we have 4 pieces. Look, if you take out the lines, are these 2 boxes the exact same size? Yeah. And if you take out the lines, then they both equal 1, right? Okay. So if we split this one into 4 pieces, it's not actually any bigger or smaller than the whole piece, right? They're still the same size box. It just only has 4 pieces and taken out. So like if we were to take a piece of paper and we fold it 4 times, or twice, I guess, to make 4 pieces, it's still a piece of paper, right? So let's do that. This is our hole, this is our rectangle, just like here, right? We're gonna make it have 4 sections. Fold it in half once. Half means 2, right? Fold it again. So this is like one section, this is 1/4, right? Because if we open it up, then we have 2/4. Then all the way up is 4/4, but it's still the same size piece of paper, right? Now if we fold it in half again, so we get 8 pieces, just like we did in this one. See how these are just like that? This is 1/8. Open it up, that's 2/8. Open it up again, that's 4/8. Open it up again, that's 8/8, but it's still the same size piece of paper, right? So what's an equivalent? Yes, 8/8 is your answer. Very good. All right, let's do one more. How about this one? Our first fraction is
2 out of 6
2/6. Yeah.
equal to 1.
1/3. Very
Do
good.
it.
Yeah, we can do more. Let's do this one too. Let's do this row. What's this one?
4 out of 5
Mm-hmm.
is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
Mm-hmm.
out of 10.
Very good. Very good. All right, last one. This one's kind of like this one up here. Our first fraction is
2 out of
2
2
over 2, which equals 1.
is equal to 8. Yes.
Over 8. Very good. Okay, we can save this and you can do the rest of it later if you still want to do more. But because my phone's having a hard time uploading videos, we need to keep moving. The last thing that, no, not the last thing, the next thing we're gonna do is the Jumpy Equivalent Fractions game. I'm gonna let you play this.
I played that
And
at
we're gonna do this game.
school and it's a really fun game.
You have played it at school? I wasn't sure. Yeah.
Put this over here.
We're having more technical difficulties. This was loading yesterday and now it won't let me in.
Hello? It's in the closet at the end of the hallway, next to our bedroom door.
Oh my goodness. Then why wouldn't you let me log in?
Thank you. Is that it? Okay, thanks. Bye.
This is a problem with technology today.
He said, where do you keep that litter or whatever that stuff is?
Alright, now let's see if it's doing. There we go.
I forgot how to play
Welcome
it, but
to
I don't know
Jumpy.
how.
I don't remember.
Rolly is late. Can you help him cross the river to get to the horse? Stop. Find the equivalent fraction. Go ahead. Stop. Find the equivalent fraction. Go ahead. Stop. Find the equivalent fraction. Go ahead.
This is my third one.
Okay. Good job.
Jump on your back, alligator. Jump.
Stop. Find the equivalent fraction. Go ahead.
2. Oh, it's not 2/3.
No, I didn't mean to do
Oh.
that. I'm trying to move it to the side.
2/2 is the same as 1, which, yep, there you go.
Oh. No! Jump.
It wants to jump whether you want it to or not. Just a couple more and then I'm gonna have you stop so we can record the lesson, okay?
Too bad, I'm done.
Good job. Okay, so this goes on for a while, right? We can do multiple levels.
Yeah.
But for today, that's as far as we're gonna go for right now. I'll leave it up though so you can keep playing later. When we get
Hey
back.
there, learn on.
Learn on. Next. No, I'm not gonna hit next. Okay, the last thing that we're gonna do here on the round screen is, and again, I'm not gonna make you write it down today because it's just you and me, not a real lesson, but we're gonna do the self-assessment. You're going to tell me what strategies that we talked about in these 2 lessons made the most sense to you. What helped you understand the fractions being equivalent the most?
Counting one side and then counting the most, but also at school the lines kind of thing.
Knowing the lines and being able to see how the shading was the same. That's a very good strategy. Of the games and technology things that we did, what did you like the best? So like the manipulatives where you got to do the fraction strips or the book it or the games. You like fraction strips? That was pretty cool. Some of those I didn't kind of led us into talks about common denominators and stuff too, right? Okay, again, thank you very much for your help, ma'am. And to all those watching, sorry for the technical difficulties. Vacation mode. Thank you. Want to say bye?
Boy.